Yes, what's popping, people? My name's Steph and I'm here today to help you guys get biceps. Now, you want to find out why your biceps aren't growing? I'm going to show you how. Let's go to the shed. We're going to get straight into it because no one's got no time to waste, alright? Now, to me, there's three main reasons why your muscles don't grow. And today we're talking about biceps. So the first thing we need to focus on is ability to contract the muscle. It's as simple as that. Alright, I had to do a quick costume change just so you can see what I'm talking about, alright? Now, for the biceps, contraction always happens at elbow flexion. So all you got to do is flex the elbow and the biceps contract. Now what you need to do on your side is practice squeezing the bicep as hard as you can and controlling it down. Squeeze as hard as you can and control it down. When it comes to lifting weights, all we will change is adding resistance. Jem, check this out. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to complete an exercise, one of my favorite bicep moves, and they're called 21s. Right? Number two, the second reason why your biceps ain't growing is range of motion. Alright? Now I've heard this too many times. Full range of motion this, full range of motion that. You don't know what you're talking about.
What kind of shit is that?
With the biceps, it's simple. If I go all the way down here to full range of motion, my biceps not working down here. It's just not working. You can see it's straight. To lift or to flex my elbow, my tendon has to work, then my bicep works, okay? So what we want to do, we want to take out that tendon activation and just stop where the bicep stops contracting. So what that looks like is this. Full contraction, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Boom, about there, yeah? And then come back. Boom. Now that's actual isolation. I'm fully isolating the bicep. The biceps working the whole time. It's not a full range of motion, but it's the biceps range of motion. You understand? Generally, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you a quick example of that partial range of motion with some incline curls. Isolate. That's how you get down, B. Come on. The last reason your biceps are not growing is tempo and weight management. Too many guys are going in the gym and ego lifting. It's not about ego, big man. It's about results, performance, and gains. You gotta pick. Do I want to lift as much as I can, or do I want to lift more than John over there? Or do I want to get the best performance out of my muscles for me? Weight is key, tempo is key. With weight, especially with arm training, biceps, triceps, things like that. With your compounds like your pull-ups, lat pull-downs, rows, you'll pull heavy weight. So your biceps will get some heavy activation, some. Triceps, you'll do close grip bench, things like that, you'll get heavy weight. When it comes to training them specifically, keep it light, keep the rep range high. Guys don't do high rep ranges because they're scared. They're scared. They don't want to feel that burn. They can't handle the burn. They'd rather go and attempt a big heavy weight, get 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 reps, and feel like they accomplished something, and do 25 rep bicep curls. No one likes that pain. But if you can add that to your arsenal, gains 100%. Tempo wise, what you want to do is you want to just maintain the same tempo you start with. Simple as that. That's the end of the video. Short and sweet. 3 quick tips as to why your biceps aren't growing. Peace.